Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And the other medium impact news is at 1:30 p.m., 7:45 p.m. and 11:45 p.m. So the market could be really volatile today. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal low. The price swept these equal low and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward side, but couldn't break below all these equal low, rather it swept it. This sweeping of all these equal low gave the market a bullish push. So currently, where are we? The price is at the monthly order block right now. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate this monthly order block. So for a detailed picture, let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart and we can see that the price had yet not mitigated the monthly order block. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, but from where? So currently we are sweeping the equal lows of the weekly levels. So I'm anticipating the price to have a bullish push into the smaller time frames. So let's move to the dailies now. So into the daily chart, we are having an unmitigated order block right here. The price had reacted from this unmitigated order block and we had taken the low of the previous day. So there is nothing more to see. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart and it was the flip zone. The price reacted from this flip zone and moved into the downward direction. Currently, we are moving into the upside direction, taking all these equal lows or the previous daily low and moved into the upside direction, and this is the candle which got flipped. So I'm anticipating the price to move into this candle and then move into the upside direction again. So currently this is our only unmitigated candle into the 4-hour and there is nothing more to see. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is the 1 hour chart and we can see that this area got flipped. So most likely the price is going to come down and give a reaction from this POI right here because everything seems to be mitigated here. That is, the price has balanced itself. So let's move to the 30 minutes now. So this is the 30-minute chart and we are having the high sweep of the market and the price moved into the downward direction. But we are not able to see any FVG right here and we are moving into the downward direction. Maybe it could be into the smaller time frames. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So this is the 15-minute chart and the price is reacting from the FVG and broke this low. So I'm anticipating the price to move into this zone right here and then give a bullish push. So currently, if we are going to react from this area right here, says it is quite messy here. So I'll be waiting for the market to give a bullish breakout or the change of character into the bullish side to take a bullish trade. So currently we are also having this monthly level. So the price can mitigate this monthly level and move into the upside direction. So we are having two scenarios right here that either the price give a bullish change of character right here or the price is going to mitigate it and then move into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.